What if I told you spending 34 lakh for a UG program is going to ruin your career? Before joining the very famous IIM Bangalore UG program, watch this video completely. Because what I am going to tell you might save you years of regret. Hey guys, I am Chia, your mentor, and if you are confused about pursuing the IIM Bangalore's UG course, then this video is tailor made for you. I have researched the program in depth, gone through all official announcements, analyzed fees, exam pattern, placements, and even government funding data. Today, I am going to give you the brutal, unfiltered reality of the IIM Bangalore course, starting with the cons and ending with the pros. So there are major 4 cons to this whole program. First is the entrance exam. Honestly, it's a nightmare right now. The syllabus that they have announced is extremely vague. There are 4 sections: maths, GK, English, and logical reasoning, but they have not even told the weightage and the difficulty levels of each subject. The second thing is that even if you are getting GK in your exam, you must know how much current affairs to study, what kind of current affairs to study. Do you have to study economics? Do you have to study history? What do you have to study? Do you have to study static GK? Do you have to study sports? What do you have to study? You have no clarity. And it's already September. You have the exam in December. If you have to study current affairs from January to December, then it is going to be almost next to impossible to complete it even from October, because 2 months is not enough to cover so much GK. The exam pattern still stays unclear. No one knows 2 hours, 3 hours, how many questions, how many marks, how will they be distributed? Nothing. We know nothing. Is there going to be any negative marking? No one knows. To make it worse, the application forms were supposed to be coming out in September 2025, and it's already half the month has gone through, and yet there are no application forms. We don't know when they are coming up, and still we are waiting for it. So for that, we have started a movement. We crafted a perfect, respectable email which can be sent to the authorities of IIM Bangalore, asking them about the pattern, syllabus, and even the admission forms. Link in description, and go mail the authorities of IIM Bangalore if you are watching this video right now. The second con is the ridiculously high fees of this program. Yes, let's address the elephant in the room: money. Always money. The first thing is the fees in itself is ridiculously high. The yearly fees is 8.5 lakh. That makes the whole course 34 lakhs. In comparison, IIT Delhi charges 2 lakh per year. And IIM Bangalore's own MBA costs a 26 lakh rupees for the whole course. So if you see, you are going to pay as much as you pay for an MBA for a UG course. For most Indian families, this is a huge financial burden because unlike MBA, the ROI is unclear. The third con is limited seats. Only 40 seats per course. That is total of 80 seats. 40 for BSc Economics and 40 for BSc Data Science. And you will be the first ever batch for this program. So that means no seniors, no alumni from the same batch, no placement record. In short, you're essentially signing up to be a guinea pig. Exciting? Maybe. Risky? Definitely. And the fourth con is a very important con, and that is the motive behind coming up with a course like this. And here's the harsh truth: nobody is going to tell you. Government funding to IIMs has massively dropped from 1030 crores in 2017 to 18 to just 252 crores in 2025 to 2026. That is a 75% cut. That means IIMs now have to generate their own revenue. So ask yourselves, are these UG programs actually being launched for academic success, or are students being made to fund this expansion through skyrocketing fees? After telling you so many cons, I also have to tell you 4 pros that you can actually vouch for. And the first is the IIM brand value, for which you all are Pagloos. So I can say that you are IIM Paglu. just like IIM and IIM Paglu. Now let's be fair. The IIM tag is not just a small thing, and that too IIM Bangalore. You will have the stamp of IIM Bangalore in your CV or your resume, and an access to 30,000 plus alumni network. Brand recognition that travels globally. Yes, IIM Bangalore is extremely famous all over the world. You will get the best college admissions out of India, and you'll also get good jobs out of India if you have the stamp of IIM Bangalore. ये बात अभी तक हमको पता है according to the MBA that it provides. The second pro is exceptional academic structure. The curriculum is actually impressive. It's not just a plain BBA, it's a BSc with economics in majors and data science and business in minor and vice versa. मतलब उल्टा भी है, ठीक है, कि आप डेटा साइंस में मेजर्स कर सकते हैं, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड बिजनेस में माइनर्स कर सकते हैं. Both is allowed. You also get a full semester studying abroad through 100 plus global partner institutes. This opens gate for all the people who actually want to study abroad after your undergraduate और want to job abroad, want to settle abroad, क्योंकि इससे बहुत ज्यादा आपको exposure मिलेगा. And this is also not a course that is filled with exams and semester exams and you only have to do all the ratification and write answers. No, they're going to help you create actual skills by integrating case studies and live projects from the first year. Plus, you can exit after the 3 years with a BSc degree, and if you continue till 4 years, it is going to be a BSc honors degree. The third pro is skill development exposure. The program is a skill heavy program, and that is a big thing. Data science and economics, as you know, are both high demand fields. You will learn analytical thinking, decision making, and even ethics. That's great. Two mandatory internships for practical exposure as well, which creates extremely good CV, which goes with everything that you want to achieve in your life. Even if you want to work in an MNC or become a corporate giant, you can do anything with that on your CV. And the fourth pro is international exposure. First of all, the course structure aligns with the international degree standards. And plus, you get one semester abroad. So that is global exposure all together. तो उससे क्या होगा, when you go globally for one whole semester, you will get to know what kind of skills are they trying to find, what kind of jobs you can land into, what kind of things you can do actually. So here's the reality. If you are financially stable, your parents are supporting you in this, and you have extreme interest in data science, economics, and business, and if you are willing to take the risk of being the first batch ever for this course could be worth it. But if you are from a middle class family, then this fees is a high risk. But you know what? I want to hear from you. Are you still planning to apply for this course? If you are, comment. And I also want to help you out. So if there are any concerns that you want to talk about, comment so that I can answer that. And the last thing is, do you even think that it's worth investing? If yes, then give me reasons.